Namaskar. On this special series of Diabetes Par Charcha, we are at the Yashobhumi Convention Center, Delhi. And for this Charcha, we have with us renowned physician from Shillong, Dr. Arijit Kumar Das. Welcome, sir.
Thank you.
Before we take it further, I would request you to kindly introduce yourself to our viewers.
Okay, very good evening to all the viewers. I am Dr. Arijit Kumar Das. I am basically from the state of Assam, but I have been practicing in Shillong for last 20 years in a missionary hospital, Nazareth. It's a teaching institute. So we have got a postgraduate course and I am a senior faculty guiding the thesis.
Thank you, sir. My question to you would be about the role of insulin in the management of diabetes.
Okay, now we all know that in today's world, we are all left with a big armamentarium of drugs other than insulin. But let us not forget the thing about the Benting and Best, which led to the discovery of insulin, which dates back almost more than 100 years. It was, if I'm not wrong, in 1922-23, they came up with an NPH insulin. And now in our basket, we have got a lot of insulin of the regular insulin. We have got even the designer insulins, which are like the ultra-fast acting insulin. Now, question is, how is the role of insulin important in the management of diabetes? I personally would prefer always to start with an insulin in a person of diabetes if there is a failure of like the medical nutrition therapy and other lifestyle measures and health, because we all know it's very difficult for a person to maintain on a particular lifestyle for a whole life. Impossible hai sabke liye.
Thank you.